Hello everybody, welcome to Modis English class. Today I am starting the second chapter of CHEC syllabus plus 2 Science, Arts and Commerce, and here it is, the legend behind a legend. This is the second chapter, the legend behind a legend. What is the meaning of legend? Legend means a great portion, eminent personality or a great story, but here we are meaning a great portion, the legend behind a legend. So here the chapter highlights about two legends. Sachin Tendulkar is called a legend. Why? Because he has outstanding record of cricket. Similarly, lot of personalities there who are called legend. So here, who is the writer? Indian writer Hariharan Balakrishnan has written this chapter. Hariharan Balakrishnan is a writer and columnist. What do you mean by columnist? Who write for the newspaper columns. This article was published in the literary paper of the Hindu, 22nd January 2006. So this article, the paper, the prose chapter which we are now reading, this has been published in the English newspaper, the Hindu, and on which date? 22nd January 2006. Warm up, that is the summary, warm up. A legend is a story or a narrative about a very famous person. People are also referred to as legends if they have been unusually successful in their own fields of work. The title mentions two legends. Who are the two legends mentioned in this unit? Why are they termed legends? What did the author plan to do when he came to know about the two? Read the following unit of the text to find out the answer. So here this is very interesting story. We are going to read about two legends. Who are these two legends? You must be curious to know. Let us start. This is Khairi made the entire forest where she lived famous. Khairi. So who was Khairi? This is the second line answer. She was not a bandit queen, but Khairi, the tigress of Jasipur. Tigress, the feminine gender of tiger is tigress. Bandit queen, you know, the queen of the robbers. So Khairi is not a queen of the robbers, but she is a tigress of Jasipur. It was exactly 25 years ago when I spent 2 days and 2 nights with Khairi and the Minagri of Saroj and Nihar. Minagri, you know, the animals. Minagri of Saroj and Nihar. I had read a small news item in the Statesman about the latest exploits of a domesticated tigress in the Similpal forests of Odisha. So definitely this is a story of Odisha which took place in the Similpal forest. All of you know tiger forest there, tiger reserve there. From that, writer came to know the story about Khairi. Suddenly, it struck me that this was happening in my own state. I thought, why not attempt to experience it myself? I spoke to N.S. Iyengar, a senior journalist in Berhampur, and a few other elders. I was told that Khairi was under the care of a rather gruff and tough man called Saroj Raj Chaudhary, who brooked no nonsense and suffered no fools. The last line is important. So Saroj Raj Chaudhary, who was? He was a forester. He was the DFO, District Forest Officer. Under him, Khairi grew up. Okay. And what kind of person he was? He was a very strict person, because forest officer, as a forest officer, he was very strict. He was very disciplined. He was very punctual. That is the last line. Saroj Raj Chaudhary, who brooked no nonsense. Who brooked no nonsense means he cannot tolerate nonsense things. He cannot tolerate fools. And support no fools means he cannot talk rubbish. He cannot tolerate the foolish ideas or foolish people. I got the address and wrote asking if I could visit him. The writer wrote a letter to Saroj Raj Chaudhary to visit Similpal area. For good measure, I referred to a few itinerant articles. Itinerant means initial. Itinerant articles I had written for Indian magazines. It was a shot in the dark and I did not really expect to hear from him. But to my utter delight, I got a letter within a week inviting me to Khairi Jasipur giving precise instructions about how to reach there. Luckily, the writer got a letter immediately from Saroj Chaudhary. So, he had asked him to visit that area and he got a positive response. Mr. Chaudhary also asked me to let him know in advance how and when I was reaching. So, Chaudhary had also wrote the letter asking the date of visit of the writer's date of visit. I gave him a date and said I would be taking a bus from Bhubaneswar on a particular night. So, unit 1 highlights the important character. That character is Khoiri. And also we have been introduced to other characters, Saroj Chaudhary. So, who are the two legends here in this story? The first legend is the tigress. The name of the tigress is Khoiri. Who is the second legend? The second legend is Saroj Chaudhary. So, this first unit introduces two legends and this is all about the first unit. Thanks a lot for observing the first unit. We will proceed the next unit. Thank you very much. Thank you.